This LeetCode question is called check the balanced string, and let's go through a simple solution. We want to check the items at the odd and even indices and compare them. If the totals both match, then the string is considered balanced. So in this case here, we're looking at the numbers 2 and 4, and then comparing those to the numbers 3 and 1. In this case, those totals are going to be 6 and 4, so this will be false, whereas this one here will be true. So let's go through a simple solution. And for this one, we're going to be using the enumerate function to give us both the index and the value at that index. So let's say I and then v, and then we're going to be doing this for the enumeration of num here. And then inside our for loop, we're going to be doing an if statement to basically say if I is even. Let's make sure I get this correct. There we go. Do some ellipses for now, and then do else like this here. So whatever happens in this one is going to be for the even ones, and this one here is going to be for the odds. So to keep track, let's go ahead and do evens, odds, and start these guys both at 0 above our for loop. And we'll then say if we're at an even index, and if so, we'll go ahead to our evens variable, and we'll increment it by a number v. Same for odds, again we'll do plus equals v like this here. Now before printing it off, we need to be very careful of one thing. Because we're iterating over a string, Python isn't going to like adding these here, so it's going to be best to do an int of v around both of our different calls here. Hitting run, we see we get 4 and 6, and then if you're doing this inside LeetCode, you'd want to do a return with this comparison here to check the balance. So we should get false for the first one, and hopefully, with some luck, we should get true for our second one. And we do. Our totals are 6 and 6. If you have any suggestions as to how this can be done in a better or faster way, feel free to post them in the comments. I'd love to see what you guys think of this question.